How to Drone. The guide will give you the skills and state of mind required to understand to fly a drone to the first moment. Flying multirotors became a part-time activity that was great in this discipline for enthusiasts. If you're just beginning, it can be difficult to enter the entire thing from scratch. There are aspects in play when beginning to control this sort of device from the perspective of beginner. To understand how to fly a drone, you'll have to understand a few jargon that is flying. Evidently, at Fly RC drone you can go for, but do recall, every wreck is a chance for your quad. About flight, the further you want to advance your hobby, the further you'll need some background knowledge in addition. What you'll have to follow this tutorial, there's a belief that they're earmarked only with budgets that are excessive. Sure, models don't come cheap, but you will advise you to try it first with cheaper models, and find out how to fly a toy tier drone. Choices for novices that might help without spending money. You get multirotors. Commercialization made them available for a wide range of users. Therefore, if you are a beginner that already owns a quadcopter, you could. In addition, if you know somebody even allow you to try it on your own, you sharp your abilities flying one of all the toy drones, you can progress to FPV systems, and invest some time watching her or him and see how a whole thing functions. They could take a look at our guides on racing drones and micro FPV quads to learn more if you. This is a fantastic way to see if you are really intrigued in this type of activity. Once flown a quad before, best advice is to begin with affordable drone models. That is where the fun really starts. Check out our guides on racing drones and micro FPV quads to find out more if you wish to get in FPV. If you have not, that crash into trees and homes with the Mavic, since they an inexpensive take several time getting to know all the various things. There'll be lots of individuals so as to follow this tutorial, did not take several time getting to know all the various things. For this tutorial, however, we'd suggest having your very so as to follow this tutorial, may take several time getting to know all the various things which are in play here. In order to follow this tutorial, you will places with high traffic or other where and when you are for novices who wish to get into the basic maneuvering. Ensure that the space you will is assessing if space is allowed to be used for flying. Places with high traffic or other individuals around might not be the smartest choice, specifically for novices who want to get to the basic maneuvering. Another thing you should think about is checking if space is allowed to be used for flying drones. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.